Hi guys, today we're gonna join ABC again. Hello? It's not loading, bro. Man, I can't join. What about get eaten by Lisa? Lisa is a name, right? I don't know. Maybe we gotta ask it with the subtitles. It's so cute.
Kita nyo yung
It's like a Lily game. Oh yes, it's Lily. It's Lily. What I ask? Yeah. There's another person, which I don't know. Wow, it's way more realistic. It's way more realistic and way more picturesque. I don't know, picturesque is a name. It's a word. Bro, Lisa has a different digestive system. Help! I'm stuck. I can't get out. Help! No, I'm walking in the wrong direction. Well, this is the end, obviously. Move it! Move it! Ow, 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 ow. Ah! Oh, back to the stomach. And now I don't know what to do. There's even air conditioner. I don't know what to do in this game, so I'm just gonna leave. Not now. Mango jumbo, what about it? Wando jumbo. Where's Sanders? Where's Sanders? Tingnan mo. Mami.
Oo nga, wala nga kami tapos yung mangkok namin na malaki. Nasa iya. Sobrang laki naman ito. Apalaki na, di ka magkasas. Wala sa akin yung mangkok na yun. Yung mga mangkok namin, hindi kakasya. May pasok ka pa, kuya? Oo.
This brown toilets, they don't have sodas. Viewers have.
Wala din kasi yung kanina sa kapitid. Kaya di ko natuto kumain yung mga ito.
Oh.
Si Malo yun. Lagi na akong hilig sa noodles. Diba mahilig sa noodles? Oo. Kaya ilang inuulam din mo. Kaya hindi natuto kumain ng magkapatid eh.
That little sweet pushing.
Lasot ng huli sa ganun. Masyado naman inuulam. Basta yun ito yan.
What?
Ito ng noodles. Tumalawin guys. Masaya sila yun. Yung ang gagawin pa nila yung iano lang sa itlog. Parang sila tamagi eh. Sanay pa sila yung noodles. Tapos lalo ng madami itlog ba? Tapos noodles beef. Tsaka ipipirito nila. Ay, ipipirito nila yung ano? Parang tortang noodles. Noodles? O yung sangga-sangga yung lumayan. madaming itlog. Tapos parang pipirito niya. Tapos lalo lang yung pipirito nila yung... Laga na yung ano. Tapos parang tatanggal lang nila yung...
Boom!
Parang pagkakit siya. Tapos lagi sa itlog. Ginawa ko yun. Mukha ko masarap daw. Tapos ano mukha ko lasa. Mukha ko masarap daw. Ano pa? Ayun pa, meron pa doon.
How do I make videos without you guys are talking Tagalog stuff?
Why? Why are you speaking in English and you're here in the Philippines, not in America?
Bro!
You should speak Tagalog too.
Bro! I fallen to them.
Sabay ka pag sa amin. Uyo! Ha? Skyflex? Parang wala. Doon sa kabila. Ayun na. Hindi ka na natawag. Pero kapag ano.
Kasi napanood mo ba yung sunod ko saya? Natumutula ako. May practice kasi kami ng tula. Eh, lalaban na
Where's my
ako.
book?
Siya nga lumaban niya. Lalaban ako dun sa tula.
There we go. That's my porn.
Sa Roblox, pang...
Kumula ka daw ka lang si daddy mo ganun.
What the Sigma? Oh, there we go. There we go. Whee! What the Sigma? What the Sigma is that?
Hindi, mamaya na lang.
This is little bit.
Uy, tutulog ka si nanay.
I want. Is this just
Tita.
place here?
Ito, tangin lang.
Place here?
Tita, ito yung magdito.
Man, he died because of this one. Go here. Pew. He died. Yung motherfucker.
Mama, susin
You know what? I'm done with chess. I mean checkers. I can only look at the straight line. What? I can only go directions.
Yan ang bibili.
But I can't look. The almighty toilet. And then I can't see. Yo, there's some...
What do you mean?
There's frozen. There's frozen. Hey, you! Let me put on your head.
I want fun.
You gotta take that problem, huh?
Yes. Of course.
Haha.
What do you mean? Let's fly.
you're noob. Noob. Let me get that guy. Why do I keep on pooping? I'm not even pressing the stupid button. The stupid button is making me poopy. Not even a lie. Hello dear. Hello dear. Hello. Hello dear. Come on here, boy. I'm gonna put in your head. I'm gonna put in your head. Ano? What the skibidi? Here. Here's my revenge shit. It's the overpowered bitch. It's a overpowered bitch. Like an overpowered bitch. It's a overpowered bitch. It's an overpowered bitch. It's the 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 overpowered bitch. It's an overpowered bitch. It's an overpowered bitch. It's an overpowered bitch. It's overpowered. It's an overpowered bitch. It's overpowered. I think that one. So that mean is mine. Yay. Mine. Scorpion. Mine ended. Ow. This is Angry Birds. Ow. Owie. This is Angry Birds. It takes a few seconds to reload your poop. Move it, me. No. Yay, it made it. Oh, it made me mad. It makes me mad. Why there's toilets here? Let me open one. Let me open the overpowered bitch. The overpowered bitch. It's the overpowered bitch. It's the overpowered bitch. It's the overpowered bitch. It's the overpowered bitch. So see to make some more. So subscribe if you want me to make more videos like this one. Bye.